Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to change your address in eBay. So without further ado, let's get started. So what you will need to do is you need to go in the top left corner and you will be able to find an option called account settings. You just need to click on it. And now here you will be able to see an option called addresses. There are two ways that you can do this. So we will go through this. So you can select which address do you want to change, registration address, your main contact address, or your main shipping address, or your main address where you ship packages from. So I'm just going to select any of it for now. I'm just going to click on edit, and now as you can see this is the shipping address. So I'm just going to click on edit, and from here I can change the address. Just write anything here. I'm just writing anything here just to show you. You can write the street address, it's optional. Street address too, it's optional. So you can write your full address here along with your building name and everything, and you just need to click on save. And you can also change your zip code from here. You can change your city, you can change your state, and just click on save. There you go, we have successfully changed our address. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a wonderful day.